problem. Okay, this is a tough problem to work with if we haven't seen it for months. I'm going to write a little note here, guys, just to remind you on how to work on these graphing. Okay, so let's take up the size here. For example, if I have, if f of x equal to x squared plus 1, you see that hanging out after the 1? That little thing there is the last number at the end hanging is either going to take you up or it's going to take you down. And for example, I just made it here, it say plus 1 at the end. That's going to say up 1. And then, for example, if I have f of x equal to x minus a 1 inside the parentheses and square. See, in math, if you have anything inside the parentheses and square, that little number right here, the negative 1, you will have to go to the opposite, right? You remember that rule. So it's going to go to the right 1. So that should be a good something to remind you on. So if f of x equal to a x minus a number square plus 2, the number at minus 2, that number right there is telling you either move it to the right or you're moving it to the left. And since this is minus, make sure you go to the right. See, this is a plus 2 at the end, so it's either going to go up or going down. So in this case, see a plus 2, so that means you have to add 2. So it means you're going to go up 2. So now that's a little note to remind us on something like that we haven't seen for months. So let's see what we're going to do with the answer. So that, if you look at it, you should be able to do all the work by yourself. We started off with f of x equal to x squared. F of x squared, we're going to go like that. Now the other part, see x plus 9, so because it's inside, that means you're going to have to move left 9 times. So therefore, the new graph is going to be x moving to the left 9 times. That right there is 9. So the difference between this graph to that graph is we're moving to the left. Not moving down, moving to the left 9 times. So it's a horizontal shift 9 unit to the, to the left. So the answer is D to this problem.